Espindola, Hotel Espindola. Cost me $25 for one night here in Tulcan. This place is definitely kind of above my standards. I generally stay at much more frugal locations. I've only made a mess out of this one little table. There is a flat screen TV. Wet bar. Don't drink stuff like that. It's expensive. And I don't like that kind of beer anyway. And I have my own water. It's got a really nice bed. It's got nightstands, telephone. Not that I'm going to use that. Ooh, and for a Dirtbag, you might wonder what this is, but it's an ironing board and iron, which I'm not going to need. And here's the bathroom. It's very nice. It appears that there's hot water. Oh my God, I think there really is, as there's 2 inlet hoses to feed it. Hey, this is probably going to be the last hotel I stay in Ecuador. Really fancy smancy shower head. And I'm betting it probably has hot water, but I haven't tested that. If it doesn't, I'll make mention of that later. There's actually a hotel safe here in my room. I don't use these. I consider them dangerous because they have to have a way to get in if you lose your key. So they're very compromised. I use PackSafe products instead with a cable and lock and a slash-proof bag. And I always attach it to something the hotel cares about, so I know none of their employees would trash it. Although, hey, you gotta work under bond here too, so that's highly unlikely. By the way, Bonanza is still quite popular in Latin America and certainly in Ecuador.